Salads are a great way to help you get your 5 servings a day of fruits and vegetables, and there's a lot of ways to make them delicious and satisfying. For this mix and match recipe, we'll need 2 cups of assorted fruits and vegetables, 4 to 8 ounces of a protein, and a source of fiber like beans, nuts, or seeds, and homemade dressing. To make 2 salads, start with 2 cups of assorted fruits and vegetables. Today, I chose a combination of cucumbers, berries, and spinach. You could try any combination of apples, bell peppers, broccoli, cauliflower, celery, grapes, mango, melons, oranges, peaches, pears, and any sort of leafy greens like lettuce, cabbage, bok choy, or collard greens. Wash the fruits and vegetables well and chop or slice them into bite-sized pieces. To add protein to your salad, mix in chicken, seafood, tofu, or cheese. Today I'm going to mix in some leftover cubed chicken that I already had prepared. For extra fiber, add beans, nuts, or seeds to the salad. I'm going to add a few sunflower seeds. Finally, to add more flavor, try a Greek yogurt-based dressing or an oil and vinegar dressing. I'm going to mix 2 teaspoons of yogurt and 1 teaspoon of vinegar or lemon juice. To make the dressing sweeter, add half a teaspoon of honey. You can also add herbs and spices like basil, oregano, garlic, dill, chili powder, and cilantro. I'm going to finish off my dressing with some garlic powder, parsley, and oregano. This customized mix and match salad makes a great side dish for any meal, or with enough added protein and fiber, it can be your main entree. Try combinations of fruit with a spicy chili or cinnamon version of the Greek yogurt dressing. The possibilities are endless.